Why do 70% of fitness enthusiasts struggle to gain muscle? It's all about what you eat. First up, we have eggs. These little powerhouses are packed with protein and healthy fats, perfect for muscle growth. Next, lean beef. It's loaded with amino acids and creatine, both essential for building muscle and strength. Third, sweet potatoes. They provide the carbs you need for energy and recovery. Plus, they're delicious. Fourth, nuts and nut butters, high in calories and healthy fats. Just a handful can make a big difference. Finally, don't forget about whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are fantastic sources of energy. They keep you fueled for those intense workouts. Remember, eating right is just as important as lifting heavy. Fuel up and watch those gains skyrocket. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward.